Hey, everybody. First of all, thank you so much for watching and following Doctrine and Covenants Central and our series Restoration Revealed. We've got an important announcement about Restoration Revealed that I wanted you to all know, and that is this. We've published about a dozen videos for Restoration Revealed where we visit different church history sites on this channel, Doctrine and Covenants Central. But for next year, when we're studying church history and the Doctrine and Covenants, we're going to move Restoration Revealed over to the Scripture Central channel. Now, we have actually spent the last couple of years filming 20 more videos at various church history sites around the world, and you don't want to miss it. It's really going to help with your study of the Doctrine and Covenants. So go over to Scripture Central's YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We're even going to take the older videos that we've already published and re-edit them and republish them on the Scripture Central channel. In fact, our very first video will come out this Sunday on Scripture Central to commemorate Joseph Smith's birthday. So we hope to see you there. We're going to put up a lot of resources to help you understand the Doctrine and Covenants, and we'll see you over at the Scripture Central YouTube channel. Bye-bye. My name is Casey Griffiths, and I love learning about church history. Join me as we travel the world and explore the history of the Latter-day Saints. This is Restoration Revealed.